Here's another 1969 Lamborghini Miura P40, chassis number 3919 V12, concourse restoration. Look at that. Okay, so here's the thing. This is a beautiful color green for this car. That's a beautiful color blue interior for that car. But this is not a beautiful car with that green exterior and a blue interior. I believe the person who bought this car was colorblind, because there is no way somebody who could see colors would order this car with this color. So this is insane color interior and exterior. All I could think of is in 1969 there was a lot of you that did LSD and picked out these colors, because this thing is crazy in colors.